Hey guys, welcome to the Ava and Gia show.
I'm Ava.
And I'm Gia. Today we're gonna, this is the new Lego Friends Advent Calendar. And we're gonna be opening it today.
And there's different things.
And there's lots of different things you can like there's a nutcracker and a snowman and stuff. Like each day you pick one thing and then you can build it. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get on to the video. Hey guys, we're back and here is the box. There's lots of things inside and there's a lot of ornaments, so you build things and then you can hang it on a tree. Here's the front and back and sides. And if you want to get one of these, they're at a store. Now let's get onto the building part. So let's open it up. And we're gonna to open number 1. And here's all the things you can build. Like all of these things.
So, yeah.
We're gonna pop out number 1 now.
Now let's see what we got.
Oh, this is cool.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, there's this
a leaf.
thing.
I see a leaf in there.
Me too.
Let's open it now. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Okay.
So there's a pink piece. I see pink and purple.
Me too.
So let's start building.
So
it looks like on the instructions, it shows that you put a pink piece on the bottom and one big purple piece and 4 little pieces and a green leaf that's called a holly, I think, and a red flower and a gold star in the middle. And if you want, you can put a gold hook to hang it up like an ornament on the tree. But if you don't want to, you can just keep it like a purple heart. Here we are putting on the holly and the gold star. And we're gonna hang our heart ornament on our Christmas tree. Don't forget to pause the video and like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our Advent Calendar videos. Oh, and this Advent Calendar comes with a Lego friend. What is your favorite Lego friend? Comment down below. Do you have any Christmas traditions you do for Christmas? Comment down below. As you can see, we are almost done with our first ornament for our Advent Calendar. We can't wait to hang it on our Christmas tree. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to all of our videos so you don't miss any of them. Merry Christmas. Hope you have a good holiday. Thanks for watching. Bye.